The WorkCentre 7800 series is a colour multifunction printer in 30, 35, 45 and 55 page per minute configurations. Note the 55 prints at 50 colour pages per minute. It has a colour touch user interface display and the Connect Key controller software. The WorkCentre 7830 and 35 models support the standard duplex automatic document feeder, or DADF, which inverts two-sided documents to scan each side. Each side passes over the CVT glass where they are scanned. The 78, 45 and 55 models support the single-pass DADF, which scans both sides of the document in a single pass. Side 1 is scanned as it passes the CVT glass. Side 2 is scanned by the contact image sensor in the DADF. The single pass DADF has the DC-DC PWB cable for the contact image sensor, which connects into the SBC single board controller. It also has the DADF PWB cable. The standard DADF just has the DADF PWB cable. Tray 1 is standard and can be replaced with the optional envelope tray. There are 3 paper feeder options available: the high capacity tandem tray, which provides trays 3 and 4, which supports A4 and 8.5 by 11 inch paper only, or the 3 tray option, which provides trays 2, 3 and 4, which is available for the 78, 30 and 35 models only. These trays support a variety of paper sizes and can be removed quite easily. The third paper feeder option, the high capacity feeder, will be installed on the left side of the machine and can take up to 2,000 sheets of A4 or 8.5 by 11 inch paper. Tray 5, the bypass tray, is standard for all models and can be used for heavyweight paper, labels and envelopes. The key components of the xerographic subsystem include the toner cartridges. The machine uses emulsion aggregation high gloss, or EAHG toner. The crumb on the toner cartridge stores information such as the amount of remaining toner and the serial number. At power on, or when the front cover is closed, the machine reads the crumb and compares it with the corresponding non-volatile memory NVM value. This information determines the replacement time of the toner cartridge. The drum cartridges are accessed by opening the drum cartridge release lever. Press quite firmly to open the door. The machine has an individual drum cartridge and developer housing assembly for each colour. The drum cartridge contains the photoreceptor drum, the charge roll and the drum cleaner. It's important not to touch the drum surface. I'm holding the drum cartridge by the plastic casing. The drums are exposed with the image by the LED print heads, and the image is transferred by the first bias transfer rolls, BTR, to the IBT transfer assembly known as the transfer belt. The crumb on the drum cartridge stores information such as drum usage and serial number. When the drum is replaced and the interlocks closed, the machine reads information in the drum crumb and compares it with information in the machine to detect the drum replacement. The transfer belt is just visible if I open the left door. The transfer belt carries the developed image to the transfer area. The second bias transfer roll transfers the image to the paper. The transfer belt cleaner can be replaced by the customer. Toner that remains on the belt is removed by the cleaning blade and augured into the waste toner container, which also collects the waste toner from the drum cartridge cleaners. Each of the 4 print heads has its own cleaning tool. The fuser fixes the image and the completed print is sent to the selected output tray or finisher. For two-sided prints, the paper is inverted into the duplex module and passed back through the imaging area to image side 2. You can see the duplex paper path by opening the door B release lever. Paper can exit to the left tray face up, the centre output tray face down, the centre bottom tray, or the finisher if fitted. The output tray is selected in the output location area in Administrator Tools. There are 3 finishers available. The integrated office finisher performs stapling and is available for the 78, 30 and 35 models only. The office finisher LX performs stapling. An optional hole punch is available, which will be fitted in the horizontal transport. An optional booklet maker is also available. The booklet maker scores or creases the booklet, it does not fold them. The professional finisher can perform hole punching, stapling and booklet making. The main power switch is behind the front door and controls the power to the machine. The secondary power switch is on top of the machine and controls power to the electronic components. It initiates a software-controlled shutdown when turned off. So to turn off power, power this one off first and wait about 10 seconds after the touch screen goes dark before powering off the main power switch. When the office finisher LX or the professional finisher is installed, the secondary power switch is located behind a clear plastic door. AC power is supplied to the machine through the circuit breaker, a built-in ground fault interrupter, GFI. The finisher outlet supplies AC power for the finisher if fitted. Behind the rear right cover, the single board controller or SBC contains the communication ports including Ethernet and USB. The optional common interface fax module can be fitted here.